Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video you will see the computer review of Vivo V23e mobile phone. So you first look the colors of the smartphone. Now on the second number I will show you the right side view of the smartphone Vivo V23e. So let's start. So now we change the position of the mobile phone and look the downside view of the mobile phone. So let's start and enjoy the downside of this smartphone. So look on the screen. So next we will see the front selfie camera of this smartphone. So let's start its selfie camera view. So next we rotate the smartphone and see its back and main camera. So enjoy its back camera view of this smartphone Vivo V23e. So if you like this video, subscribe the channel, press bell icon to see the more such videos of latest